تقنيات انتل داخل الطائرات دون طيار.
من سنتين دخلت انتل بقوة وفعليا بصناعة الدرونز أو الطائرات دون طيار، من ناحية التصميم، التطوير، التصنيع، هاردوير وسوفتوير. سنتعرف اليوم على 3 من درونز انتل شوتينج ستار، انتل فانتوم 8 بلس، وايرو ريدي تو فلاي.
So Intel now is actually going fully vertical into drones. We do everything from drone manufacturing all the way to the engineering and designing of the drones, in addition to actual services that we offer with some of these drones. So this is now a complete vertical for Intel in an area that produces a lot of data and a lot of very new and exciting possibilities for the world today. So this is Intel Shooting Star that's been designed specifically for light shows. So we made it a very lightweight drone. It only weighs about 280 grams, including the electronics and the battery that's on here. It's able to run for about 20 minutes long of flight time. So we usually say about 10 minutes of animation, and then that way you also have time for takeoff, for landing, and any reserve battery for safety as well. So with this one, as you can see, we have the light on the bottom of the drone with an LED board, and the battery that's inside, it's a LiPo battery. And so here we also have 4 propellers, so it's a quadcopter, and we put prop cages on it to keep it safe. These drones are able to fly automated by one control software. So we wind up with, we've done 500 of these with one control station on the laptop. And with that, we can actually do all of these all controlled with pre-calculated GPS paths. So that way, as soon as they take off, they know exactly what GPS coordinates they need to be following, communicate that back to the control center to make sure that we have diagnostics on battery level, GPS signal, and all of that, and such that we can monitor the show as it's happening. This one is our multi-rotor system called the Falcon 8 Plus. So this one, the main use case of this is for inspections, such that if you need to go to a place and visually inspect something that is usually very difficult or dangerous for a human to go inspect, you can have this drone go there instead. So as you can see here with the V shape of the drone, it makes sure that the propellers are never in front of the camera. So every shot that your camera takes, whether it's facing completely up or completely down, there's no propellers in the camera as well. So we've designed it to be very precise, but also very robust with a lot of redundancies, so it can be very safe in all situations. So as you can see here, in terms of we built it, we actually have a redundant battery system. So there's actually 2 power delivery systems in here independently, so in case one fails, you can still have the other one functioning. In addition, we also have a triple redundant flight controller. So there's 3 flight controllers called the Trinity flight controller that's inside, so in case one fails, again, you have replacements. Similarly, because of the construction that we have here, you can actually lose a rotor on each arm and it can still fly perfectly stable. This is the Intel Aero platform for UAV contained in this box here, and then this actually whole drone is available for purchase on the Intel website for $1,100. And so it's a completely open source system called the Intel Aero Ready to Fly drone. So the idea is that out of the box, you can buy this drone today. It comes with the drone and a controller. It flies outside the box, but the thing that's actually special about this is that it's completely open source. So it runs Linux, and it also uses PX4 flight controller, which is also open source. The idea is this is a complete developer platform. So anybody who wants to develop an application for a drone, we say Intel Aero is the one to do it with. You just go to intel.com/drones.